For centuries, Afghanistan was recognized as the preeminent junction of trade routes between Central, South and West Asia. A country rich in natural resources and timeless craftsmanship, Afghanistan is now positioned to revive its place in the global market. The opening of new transport corridors to India, the ease of doing business in the digital age, and innovations in manufacturing technology mark the renaissance of the Silk Road legacy, offering unique trade and investment opportunities in the prized luxury goods market. One of the country's most abundant natural resources, Afghan marble is comparable to Italy's own Carrara variety, prized by builders and sculptors since the time of ancient Rome. With the introduction of state-of-the-art cutting equipment and quarrying techniques, Afghanistan now supplies marble products to Italy, India, China, Turkey and the USA. With existing marble deposits in traditional supply countries dwindling, this durable and beautiful stone is tipped to emerge as the new star in Asia, Europe and the Middle East. Some of the earliest records of gemstone mining anywhere in the world are from Afghanistan, dating back over 6,000 years. And the same mines that produced then are still producing today. The country has long been the world's leading source of lapis lazuli, with merchant caravans transporting this beautiful blue cargo to the great cities of the ancient Indians, Greeks, Egyptians and Persians. Eagerly sought after in the gemstone world, the precious stones of Afghanistan are highly valued for crafting jewelry, carvings, sculptures and wearable art. There's nothing quite like the silken touch of cashmere. Demand for this luxury natural fiber is always high, and Afghanistan is the world's premier producer, with a quality recognized globally as one of the best. Desirable for use in high-end fashion garments, Afghan cashmere is now exported to European, US and Asian markets, with modern technology and practices ensuring a huge increase in processes and capacity. World-renowned for their unique designs, Afghan carpets reflect a proud heritage passed through generations of families. Hand-woven from silk, cotton and wool, and utilizing the latest technology in dyeing and design processes, these intricately crafted pieces are now being distributed all across the globe. Afghanistan boasts a 2,000-year-old tradition of silk production, and local producers are now enjoying international market success. With newly established silk weaving and trading centers, Afghanistan has the capacity and know-how to meet the constant demand for fine, quality silk for use in clothing and carpets. The Afghan saffron industry is flourishing and in the process establishing a reputation for excellence and uniqueness that stands it apart from other regional saffron-producing countries. Picked by hand in the country's Herat province, the long, deep red threads impart the soft, distinctly floral tones prized by chefs and appreciated by fine diners around the world. The newly established air cargo route to India has enabled Afghanistan to expand exports in the fresh and dried fruit and nuts market, which in turn has created significant opportunities for Afghan farmers and process workers. The local industry now has the technology and facilities to ensure that produce is cleaned, processed and packaged to international standards, enabling Afghan suppliers to significantly penetrate European markets. In addition to food and consumer goods, Afghanistan is also exploring partnerships and investments with India in health, education, clean energy and innovation and technology companies to enhance commercial trade between the two countries. Notable improvements in infrastructure and technology, together with support from USAID and other international donors, has fostered an investor-friendly business environment in Afghanistan, offering exciting opportunities for foreign companies large and small. To learn more about building partnerships and prosperity in this emerging market, register to be a part of the India-Afghanistan Trade and Investment Show, being held on September the 27th to the 30th in New Delhi, India. For more information about the trade show, visit passagetoprosperity.com.